Hello, my name is Joe Aloysius and I'm a final year student of Northern State Medical University. Right now I'm standing here next to the hostel, one of the hostels of Northern State Medical University. As you all know, we are facing a big problem, a big crisis, that is the COVID-19, and I'm here to show you that how the students of NSMU or the students of Northern State Medical University is living under these conditions. So let's go and check it out. So how are you coping up with this situation?
Actually, there's no need to use the word coping over here because we have an excellent living condition.
Basically, it was unexpected that to be safe, this much safe in Russia.
Will we cope up? How will we be in the four walls inside that? We were so sad. But then, firstly, it was snow. So we were sad. Then the sunlight came. We started coming out for the round. Then we started playing games like volleyball and cricket. Also, we played. The tournament held. We are enjoying.
It's very good here. We have such a big ground. We are playing. It's fun here. I'm not feeling bored at all.
I feel so safe in our hostel compound because our Kamindan or our university is taking our responsibility.
We have so many things to distract us from this ongoing situation, such as volleyball, basketball. We have so many other activities going around over here.
For us, we've been quite fortunate at this time.
How do you get your groceries, the products that you need daily to cook, to eat?
Online.
You're buying products from online stores?
It's not a problem actually here. It's quite easy now.
We get it online, and even we can call the vendors. They come and give, and even there are few apps like KDV and all. We get snacks even for our snacks for daily. So, and even Star Foods is working. So
University is taking our responsibility. All kind of things they are providing to us. If it is grocery, they are giving us transport to go there, and also I guess it's better here. I'm feeling safe here.
Well, what arrangements are the Indian Embassy doing for you amidst this crisis?
Embassy has actually given us lots of hope because usually we thought we'll be stranded over here. Many have that feeling, but the embassy continuously ensure us that they're looking after us.
they are arranging flights for us, as the international flights are not working. So they are arranging some flights and giving mail to us, confirmation mail, if we want to go or not. Few of my fellow mates got the mail. I'm waiting for mine.
It's my personal choice to stay here. I'm not finding traveling is important or safe now. So I'm just waiting for international border will open, then I will travel back to India. So basically I'm staying here, but they are doing their best to take the student at their respective place.
Including me, there are several students who is traveling back to India by their Vande Bharat mission.
I'm going back to India in this 15th June. Many of them are still waiting for email.
Many students of different states have already gone. I also received mail. Let us see. Now they will respond something till 17. I'm waiting for their call.
They have given us maximum security, safety, and health, and we can't complain about anything over here actually because embassy takes care of us really well.
So how's the distance education working out for you?
It's a bit difficult because medical is a thing. We should do it practically, but they are doing the best they can do, and we are doing the best we can do.
Our university is arranging classes online. We used to have exams.
Daily we are getting different tasks for different subjects, and we have to do that within time limit so that we can collect credit, and then we will have our final exams. So it's fine.
As we didn't expected this much effort they are giving, teachers are doing their best even though online.
We want as soon as possible we can go to our colleges and do our practical things.
Well, as you all saw, the students here are extremely safe from the COVID-19 situation. Our university is trying the maximum to protect the students from COVID-19. So if you're planning on sending your children abroad for their higher educational studies, I would say that Northern State Medical University is one of the safest and secure universities in all over Russia. Thank you, and hoping to see you in the next video.